What is up, KG babes? We're back on another freaking YouTube video, y'all. Hey guys, so today's video we're going to be doing a full glam, nothing freaking makeup look, and we're just going to, you know, y'all will see the title, y'all know what kind of video this is going to be. So full glam, of course. We got the lashes today. Always put on, you know, our foundation, and it's in the color 355 right here, and the color is coconut. So we're gonna go ahead, got some on my hand, and we're gonna place it around my face. So next we're going to get into some I'm gonna take this because it's like around my mouth. I don't know if you guys noticed, it's a little darker. So I'm gonna take this matte and poreless 335 class of 10 foundation and we're gonna put it on my face where the darker spots are at. So this is not the concealer portion because we still have a lot to do before we conceal. Okay, hold my mouth that I usually get. It's right there. I'm gonna just take that and put a little bit, like a little dot on the lids, just to get it a shade, you know, a shade lighter or whatever. Okay, so we have that on, and now we're gonna start picking out what colors we're gonna do with the eyeshadow. So we're gonna go into this color called Heatwave. This color right here, this brush right here. Let's get into it, babes. First, we're gonna go in with this color in the Spectrum palette called Totally. Put that in the crease with a we're gonna mix it in with the black to give it a darker feel. So we're gonna mix both of them. So we're gonna have the black on this side and that color on that side. We're gonna put in Bewitched, this color. Now we're gonna get into the eyebrows. Of course, we finally gonna get into the brows because that's what we've been waiting on. So let's go ahead and get into them. Spoolie. I'm gonna take my spoolie, guys, and we're gonna just brush the brows up. Anyway, so with my brows, I've already explained this on my last tutorial if you guys watched it, but I'm going to explain it again. So with this, I always take my brush and I always go underneath first, and I always outline my brows with concealer, if you guys haven't noticed. And then I go at the top. Mind you, I never get this right here because we don't want any boxy, you know, any boxy eyebrows. You know, that was like in the 2000s. We're in the 20th century. Now I'm gonna do the other side off camera and I will be back, you guys. Okay guys, so we're back and we have the eyebrows on. Look at these joints, okay? Period. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. She's not one of them. Anyway, so we're gonna go in with some concealer, and of course the Maybelline, guys, showed you guys 1,000 times already because I have to use it 1,000 times. So we're just gonna take that in. Yeah, we want a skinny nose. This, y'all might be wondering why, because you see that little light part right there. Yeah. And I dip into that. Oops, shoot. Okay. So now we finna put in, I know my face looks hella greasy and glossy and everything. So I'm finna go in with this, set this foundation. Okay guys, so we back. Got my brush to dry as much as I could. So now we're gonna take that and we're gonna warm up the cheeks and the face. So I'm gonna go put these lashes on. I hope I got some glue still because I haven't used glue. Oh, I just ripped something. Anyway, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some Mega Volume mascara on the eyelashes. Okay guys, so I have the glue. Yes, I use this glue still. But yeah, you guys, so I used to put my friends' lashes on. They used to be like, Rylan, can you help me put my lashes on? And so I always put their lashes on because I was the only one who really knew at the time how to do them without needing tweezers. So I was the go-to, the lash tag, pure. Little Cedar Hill girl who parents didn't let her wear makeup was the one doing makeup. So I'm gonna do a brown nude. Got my lip pencil, and we're gonna do a brown nude, of course. And she always had a lip liner on, and that really just was like, this was my everyday school thing. I put liner on, and then I used to freaking I used to put some petroleum gel on, y'all. I kid y'all not, you know. That's how you get the extra so it don't be on your lips. Vintage old things. Okay guys, so this is the final freaking makeup look. It's very dark. If you guys do want a tutorial for these fox locks that I did on my hair, definitely comment in the comment section. I'm gonna make this video as short as freaking possible because I know my videos be hella long and just full of bullshit. So I'm gonna try to make this video as long as I can. I hope you guys like this video, like this freaking makeup look. It's so dark, you guys. I mean, I actually like it just a tad bit. I like it. It's a little dark for me because of the lips. Anyways, bye goddess space. Love you guys, and keep watching all of my videos, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we're out.